Hello, YouTube. It is me, your best friend. No, but seriously, I'm gonna move this fucking pillow. Okay, I'm going to show you how to take your bars off and just like, I don't know, like, if you want to put new ones on. I don't have new ones, but when I do, I'll just take this off, put them back on. Yeah, basically, you're learning how to disassemble bars for people who don't know how to. They're in the instructions, by the way. First, you gotta loosen the clamp. So, get the 5M Allen key, or millimeter Allen key, I don't know, and just like loosen the clamp bolts. If you lose one, you should have like a spare, like that, or like money for more. So yeah. Alright, now hopefully you have your bars taken off by going left because you loosened your clamp. Now to assemble them, oh shit, I hit it again. Now to assemble them, I will probably be showing you how to do that right now. Oh wait, one more thing. When you loosen this and say you have a new clamp or something, not double, but just you can put it on the bars. Well, I think you know that. But I have another clamp, same size, but it's single. So yeah, I'll be having that too. Alright, step 4 or 5. Like, it may be a little bit tricky, but if it's brand new and out of the box, like, you can just like take the bars and like shove them onto those threads right there, and then the rest you just go righty on it and then align that and then tighten all the clamps. Alright.